all the crazy weather, the snow, the ice. I was telling you that my parents are up in Portland right now. They're dealing with that crazy ice storm.
Yeah.
But here, thankfully, we're just rain.
Right. It's amazing that Canadian air got all the way down to Portland and then just kind of stopped before it made it about halfway down Oregon. So it didn't really get into even northern California. I'm glad we don't have to contend with that. I grew up with it in Minneapolis. It's why I live here.
Yeah, it's yes,
Yeah.
agreed.
A lifetime's worth of cold and snow in the first 18 years of my life. Let's take a look at what we are in for. More rain on top of already saturated ground. A lot of low-hanging cloud cover out there right now. Take a look at the rainfall amounts that we have added up so far since the rain began on Friday. On the high end of the spectrum, some of the higher elevations of the North Bay and the Santa Cruz Mountains have picked up over 2 inches of rain. On a widespread basis, we've seen about a half an inch to an inch of total rainfall. But there is more on the way. Let's take a look at what you need to know on this first alert weather day. We are going to see off and on showers for the first half of the day, but then more rain is going to move in this afternoon. That's going to be light to moderate rain. The heaviest rain that we have had through the duration of this event is on its way this evening and tonight. That's when we're concerned about the possibility of localized flooding. Not widespread flooding, but localized. Poor drainage, flood-prone locations are going to have some high water concerns. And whenever we get that amount of rain in a short amount of time, brings in the possibility of mudslides in the higher elevations as well, and the possibility of some power outages with gusty winds kicking in this evening and into tonight. Right now in First Alert Doppler, just a few light showers making their way into the coastal ranges of Sonoma County. The off and on shower activity this morning is going to interfere with anything you want to get done outside, but if you're really determined to get out for a walk or a run or even a bike ride, the showers are going to be very light, and there are going to be gaps in between until this afternoon. That's when the first band of more widespread rain moves in. That's followed up by the main event as we head into this evening and tonight. This is the heaviest rain that we've seen so far with this particular train of storm systems, and it's going to continue to fall for much of the night. Even the possibility of a few rumbles of thunder here and there, and wet roads for the morning commute. Even though the bulk of the heaviest and most widespread rain will move off to the east before the sun comes up, the roads are still going to be wet. It's going to be sloppy out there for Monday morning, and more often on showers are possible as we head through the rest of Monday. So how much additional rain are we talking about? The latest estimates from Futurecast painting a wide swath in red here, indicating more than 2.5 inches of total rainfall through tomorrow afternoon. That might be a little aggressive. I think even if you cut these numbers in half, that might be more of an estimate that comes closer to what actually unfolds. But this is kind of the worst case scenario of what we're looking at. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain on a widespread basis for the North Bay. Not as much for the southern half of the Bay Area. Again, the heavy rain moves into the North Bay first and lingers a little bit longer. It's why you're going to see the heftiest accumulations there. And those winds are going to be picking up. A noticeable breeze as we head into the afternoon, but the winds really accelerate as that heavy rain moves in tonight. That's when we're going to have widespread 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts inland with 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts along the coast. So possibility of a few trees coming down as the root systems lose their grip on the increasingly wet soil, and the possibility of some power outages. Be prepared for that. Make sure all your devices are charged up. Still a breezy day on Monday, but not nearly as gusty as the conditions that we are going to have this evening and into tonight. And in the Sierra, still a winter storm warning in effect. All the counties shaded in red. It's a high elevation event. Over 6,500, even 7,000 feet is where that snow is going to add up. But even the lower elevations with the rain-snow mix, very sloppy travel conditions on US 50 and on I-80. Temperature-wise, while we're waiting on the more widespread rain to arrive, upper 50s and low to even mid-60s, above normal temperatures for most of the Bay Area. The 7-day forecast shows our alert days today and tomorrow, especially that morning commute tomorrow. And then we dry out on Tuesday before another round of rain moves in on Wednesday. We'll be monitoring that as we head through the next several days. Then 3 straight dry days. That'll be a relief by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and a warming trend kicking in as well. Look at San Jose's forecast, getting up close to 70 degrees by Saturday. Maybe not quite that warm for other parts of the Bay Area, but above average temperatures are going to accompany that dry stretch of weather that we get to enjoy as we head into the last weekend in January. This month already flying right on by.
You know, I'm looking at the 7-day forecast, and I know we got to get through the next couple of days, Paul, but it is looking good for the Niners game next weekend.
Yeah, knock on wood. I think we're looking at better conditions than what they had last night.
Yeah,
for sure.
So what was it, like 68 on Saturday?
Yeah, close to 70 degrees for the South Bay, which is about 10 degrees above normal for late January.
They're going to be sweating.
I don't think the fans will mind after the wetness last night.
If we play Detroit, that could be an advantage for us because they're so used to the cold.
Hey, we can hope they play indoors, so maybe they're...
Oh, I forget they got that fancy new, the nice stadium.
Yeah, the dome.
Well,
our stadium's nice too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I've been there. It is very nice.
It is very nice.